Hello dear student of class 6. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School's online e-learning session. I am your social science teacher Munish Sabde. Dear student, today we are going to learn about the coastal plain, island and the political division. Dear student, here you are seeing the map of India which showing you the coastal plain. Dear student, there are two parts of coastal plains of India. In western side near Arabian Sea, here you are seeing the western coastal plain. Okay, it is western coastal plain near Arabian Sea, and this is your eastern coastal plain near Bay of Bengal. Dear student, the eastern coastal plain are broader. The rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri form deltas in their mouth before falling into Bay of Bengal. Coastal plains are very fertile and densely populated. Okay? Now, the western coastal plain, it is near of Arabian Sea of India. The western coastal plain along the Arabian Sea is narrow, uneven and rocky. Small rivers rising from western Ghats flow swiftly into the sea. Some of them form estuaries. Okay, dear student. So these are the two types of coastal plain. Now you are seeing the subdivision of coastal plain. Here, the northern part of the eastern coastal plain, known as Northern Sirsar. This is northern part of the eastern coastal plain known as Northern Sirsar. Okay, and southern part of eastern coastal plain is known as Coromandel Coast. It is known as Coromandel Coast or Payan Ghat. Okay, these are the two subdivisions of coastal plain of eastern coastal plain. Okay, now we are moving on the western coastal plain. Here the subdivision of western coastal plain. Okay, now first is Kutch and Kathiawar coast. Next is Konkan coast, then Goa coast and Malabar coast. So the northern part of this plain is called Konkan. Konkan coast. Okay, northern part of west coast known as Konkan coast. So dear student, here is the subdivision of coastal plain. Now you are seeing the beautiful picture of the island. The island, Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman Nicobar Island, extending in the north-south direction, lie in the Bay of Bengal, and they are upper parts of submerged hills. Dear student, they are large in size. Some of them are volcanic origin. And there is a diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands. This island lie close to equator and experience equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. Here, the locations of the island group of India. In Bay of Bengal, here is your Andaman Nicobar Island, and here is the locations of Lakshadweep Island. Okay, this is the location of the island group of India. Here you are seeing the beautiful picture of Lakshadweep Island. The Lakshadweep Island are located on the coast of Kerala in the Arabian Sea. They are very small in size. They have been formed by the coral polyps. So here The Lakshadweep island map. Small island, little island is there in this map. In Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep island. And it is the Andaman Island. Picture of Andaman Island. Here the three part of the Andaman Island: North Andaman, Middle Andaman. This is your North Andaman. This is your Middle Andaman. This is your Middle Andaman, and this is South Andaman. Okay. Some beautiful picture of the Andaman Island. The greenery, some tribal people, some animals, flora and fauna. All about the Andaman Island. Dear student, these islands are so beautiful. Okay. Now here, the political division. Before learn of this political division, the varied landforms of India are complementary to each other. The northern mountains are the major source of water and form a long wall along the northern border. The northern plains provided a food to large populations of India, and the plateau is rich in minerals. So dear student, in political division you are seeing the map of India, which include with the state capitals and union territory capital. Here, India being a vast country has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. The state of India have been organized mainly on the basis of the languages. See, the political map of India, it's showing you the state and their capital, and union territories and capital. India is the fast developing nations. The people of India have the spirit of tolerance and brotherhood. The partially enclosed character of India has helped in strengthening the unity in diversity. We know in India there are so many diversity. Diversity in food, diversity in clothes, diversity in language, diversities in religion, caste and creed. But we are living together. We have unity. So, India is the largest democracy of the world. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand the political division of India. Here, the assignment question on today's topic. Here the two assignment question on today's topic. I hope you understand today's online video. So dear student, thank you for today and thank you for making us a part of your day. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.